Top 5 Best Magnetic Knife Holders in 2025.
Number 5.
Sleek, safe, and space-saving kitchen tools. Looking for the perfect way to organize your kitchen knives without using bulky wooden blocks or drawer organizers? In 2025, magnetic knife holders have become one of the most essential kitchen upgrades, offering sleek design, safety, and space-saving efficiency. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, a good magnetic knife strip keeps your knives within reach, hygienic, and protected. No
Number 4.
more digging through drawers or dulling your blades. Just strong magnetic grip, beautiful display, and easy access every time. Star Top 5 Magnetic Knife Holders of 2025. Keycap 1. Modern Innovations, 16 inches. Stainless steel magnetic knife bar. Minimalist stainless steel design. Strong neodymium magnets. Wall mount or fridge mount option.
Number 3.
Great for knives, scissors, and tools. Keycap 2. Woodsome Wood Magnetic Knife Strip. Made from natural hardwood. Walnut, oak, maple. Hidden magnets for a seamless look. Food-safe wood finish. Blends beautifully with rustic or classic kitchens. Keycap 3. HOSHA, NHO. Magnetic knife holder with hooks. Dual-use strip with extra
Number 2.
hooks for utensils. Powerful hold. Rust-proof metal base. Ideal for small kitchens needing extra utility. Keycap 4. Kuroto Walnut Magnetic Knife Strip. Handcrafted in the USA with luxury walnut wood. Secure grip for even heavy knives. Adds elegance to premium kitchens. Keycap 5. VMSTR. Double-sided
Number 1.
magnetic knife block. Countertop. Stands upright on the counter. Magnetic both sides for larger knife sets. Space-efficient alternative to wood blocks. Brain. Why use magnetic knife holders? Checkmark. Saves counter and drawer space. Checkmark prevents knife damage and dulling. Checkmark keeps sharp blades out of kids' reach. Checkmark adds a stylish touch